Okay, guys, so the instructions on this slide are to use the geoboard on the website to help you to solve for the area, these two figures, like I did in the example. So here I'm going to show you how you can take a screenshot or a snip of your work and put it into your next slide where you see where it says paste your snips here. So I'm going to go to my work. Here it is. I'm going to come down here to my search bar and I'm just going to type snip. See where it says snipping tool? I'm going to select that. See where it pops up? It'll pop up somewhere on your screen. It doesn't matter where. Click snip. Now it's kind of in the way of my work, so I'm just going to drag it over a little bit. Now I'm going to come over here. See that little plus sign? When I click and drag, I can get my whole thing that I want to put on my page. I release it, then I come up to the top that says edit, copy. Now I'm going to come over here back to my screen. I'm going to right click, paste, and there it is. Isn't that cool? I'm going to make it a little smaller because I know that I'm going to need to do my other work as well. So now let's say I've done my other work. Let's say this is a new model for the second rectangle. Again, I'm going to come up here. I'm going to click new. Same thing. Click and drag. Edit, copy. I'm going to come over here to my work again, right click, paste, and there it is. So I've got both of my pieces of work on the slides to show my teacher. Okay, there you have it.